Assalamu alaikum, namaste, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Ananiji786. Today let us learn the storyline of the novel Nirmala, written by an emperor of the novelist Munshi Premchandji. It is very beautiful novel based on dowry system and the consequences of the unmatched marriage. Let us see now the story. Before that, as usual, a small request. Whoever not a subscriber to my channel, subscribe so that you never miss my updates and you will be the first viewer of my uploads. Click the like button, press the bell icon. Come on, let's see the beautiful storyline of the Nirmala novel. Let us see now. Munshi Premchand का अनुपम उपन्यास है निर्मला. निर्मला is the best novel of the मुंशी प्रेमचंद जी. उपन्यास सम्राट के 13 उपन्यासों मंगलसूत्र को मिलाकर में निर्मला का अपना अलग महत्वपूर्ण स्थान है. Among all novels including मंगलसूत्र, निर्मला has very special important place. निर्मला सब प्रकार से सराहनीय उपन्यास है. In every manner, in every aspect, निर्मला is very admirable novel of मुंशी प्रेमचंद जी. प्रेमचंद की भाषा, शैली, विचारों की प्रदर्शनी में निर्मला उपन्यास सफल सिद्ध हुआ है. In the point of style, art, language, emotions, feelings, निर्मला is very successful novel of मुंशी प्रेमचंद जी. Now we are coming to see the Katha Vastu. Katha Vastu means story or plot of the novel or the storyline of the novel. Let us see now. निर्मला उपन्यास की कथा सामाजिक तथा पारिवारिक विषमताओं पर आधारित है. The novel Nirmala is based on societal issues and domestic violence. समाज में व्याप्त कुप्रथाओं में सबसे घृणित प्रथा है दहेज प्रथा. Among all sort of evil issues persisting the society, dowry system is the worst one, isn't it? It is very worst one. दहेज के कारण देश भर में हजारों लाखों युवतियों का जीवन नरकमय बन गया है. Because of dowry system, thousands and lakhs of women's life became hell. हजारों नारियों की हत्या तथा मृत्यु इस कारण से हुआ है. The main root of the cause of murders and suicide is the dowry system. Many women die for dowry torture and the commit suicides, and many women murdered by the in-laws, by the husband, for the sake of dowry system. Even today also this bad practice is going on everywhere, especially many countries. हजारों नारियों की हत्या और मृत्यु इस कारण से हुआ. दहेज से अनेक युवतियां, लाखों परिवार पीड़ित थे. For the dowry system, many women, innumerable women are victimized. इसी कुप्रथा के कारण अपने जीवन को नरकमय बना लेने वाली युवती निर्मला की कहानी इस उपन्यास की कहानी है. The story of Nirmala is the story of a woman whose life became hell for the dowry system. For the sake of dowry, whose life became hell, that is the story of this novel Nirmala. Let us see the next one is Samajik Samasyaएं. That means societal issues, social issues. Come on, let us see now. समाज तथा परिवार में अनमेल विवाह का दुष्प्रभाव निस्संदेह पड़ता है. Undoubtedly, unmatched marriage impact falls on society as well as the family, and the society as well as the family. It falls the bad impact of the unmatched marriage. अनमेल विवाह से वैवाहिक समस्याओं बढ़ जाती है. Because of unmatched marriage, innumerable problems arises in the married life. So many problems come in the married life due to unmatched marriage. 40 साल के अधेड़ उम्र के तोताराम से अपने पुत्र के उम्र वाली निर्मला की शादी होती है. Nirmala's marriage happens with a middle-aged 40 years old Totaram who has a grown-up son Mamsaram equal age of Nirmala. इस अनमेल विवाह से तोताराम तथा निर्मला दोनों का जीवन दुखमय बन जाता है. Both the lives of Totaram as well as Nirmala's became hell for the sake of this unmatched marriage. तोताराम निर्मला तथा अपने पुत्र मामसाराम को शक करने लगता है. Then what happens? This Totaram, who is very older than the Nirmala, who is much difference between wife and husband, starts suspecting the relation of Nirmala as well as his own son Mamsaram. इस संदेह के कारण मामसाराम की मृत्यु होती है. Due to his Totaram's suspicion, मामसाराम commits suicide. He dies. अपने भाई को खोने तथा पिता के दुर्व्यवहार से जियाराम अपना चाल बदल लेता है. Then what happens? One side, Jiyaram loses his elder brother. The other side, seeing the bad behavior of his father, even the Jiyaram changes his attitude, his character. That means he falls in bad companies. He adopts all the bad habits. चोरी करके पकड़ा जाता है. Then he started stealing and stealing and caught, and he was caught by police. Maybe in the family he was caught. वहाँ आत्महत्या कर लेते. Then he too commits suicide. Who? The second son. Mamsaram, due to suspicion of father, he dies. Then afterwards, Jiyaram, the second son, seeing the bad behavior of father as well as losing his son, losing his brother, losing his elder brother, he too changed his attitude. He too commits the suicide, adapting the bad habits. Then छोटा पुत्र सियाराम विमाता के कठोरता से योगी बनने के लिए घर छोड़कर भाग जाता है. Then what happened? The last son, Siyaram, vexed with the harsh words, bad behavior of the stepmother, he left the home to become a saint. तोताराम का संपूर्ण परिवार संकट में पड़ता है. Then what happens? One said the elder son died. The second one is also adopted the bad habits and he too committed suicide. The third one is left the home. Then what happens? The perfect happy family of Totaram falls in troubles. उपन्यास के अंत में नायिका निर्मला भी अपनी पुत्री को ननंद के हाथ में सौंपकर मर जाते हैं. At the end, even the main female character Nirmala also commits suicide by giving the responsibility of her only daughter to the sister-in-law Rukmani. She too commits suicide. See how many lives ruined. Entire the life of the Nirmala ruined, as well as the Totaram life also ruined, and the sons of Totaram also died. Why? The reason is only dowry system and unmatched marriage. These are the two things which spoiled the life of the Totaram as well as the Nirmala. That is shown here. डॉक्टर भुवन मोहन सिन्हा जो दहेज के कारण निर्मला से शादी करने से इनकार कर देता है, बाद में उसके रूप से मोहित होता है. द डॉक्टर Bhuvan Mohan Singh, who rejected the Nirmala, for dowry sake. Later, he falls in love with Nirmala. He fascinates towards the Nirmala. निर्मला को पाना चाहता है. He wants निर्मला to be with her, to be with him as a wife. उसकी पत्नी सुधा के फटकारने पर आत्महत्या कर लेते हैं. Then what happens? Sudha comes to know about this, about her husband's behavior. Then she rebukes, shouted at her husband. Listening the hard words and rebukes, even the Dr. Bhuvan Singh also dies, commits a suicide. These many suicides, these many lives spoiled and ended because of one reason, that is dowry. The second one is unmatched marriage, age difference marriage. नारी मन के चित्रण के साथ समाज के विषमताओं पर प्रकाश डाला गया है. Here, the great novelist Munshi Premchand ji, focusing on the societal issues, beside focusing on the societal issues, he described the heart of the woman, the feelings of the woman, well described here, well expressed in the novel. What is the feelings would be of a lady who faces torture and violence in the family. All these things well described in this novel. दहेज प्रथा के साथ मध्यवर्गीय परिवार की स्थिति पर भी विचार किया गया है. Besides focusing on dowry issue, even the middle class family condition also well described. What would be the middle class life and what are the problems of the middle class people also well described in this novel. That is the storyline of the novel Nirmala. In the next part, we can see the Bhasha Shaili and Uddesh and rest of the story related headings in the next video. Till the next part, till the next video, take care of yourself. If you satisfied with my explanation, share with the friends and relatives. Like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you for being with me till the end. Till the next upload, take care of yourself. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Jai Hind. Allah Hafiz.